Hello everyone, my name is Sungmoon Lee. I'm working at a counseling team of Gyeongsangnam-do Foreign Resident Support Center in Changwon, South Korea. This is the video we make with counseling cases we have received. I hope this video can help you to deal with all kinds of matters you may face in your everyday life. So make sure to subscribe, follow, like, and leave a comment on this video. Let us know what you want to know further. What we will explore today is workers' compensation insurance. In Korean, it's called 산업재해보험 or 산재보험. Among several cases that workers' compensation insurance can cover, I will introduce one of the cases, an accident while commuting. Before getting into details of the compensation, let's look into the story behind the counseling case. Migrant worker H was on the way to work by his motorcycle. While he was driving, a car suddenly tries to take over his motorcycle and hit his motorcycle. Worker H fell to the ground and his toes were broken. He had to stay in hospital for 4 weeks and needed to get to the treatment for 3 months. In such a case, worker H had two options to choose. First, file a case to the driver's license of the opponent driver. And second, using workers' compensation insurance. If the accident happens while commuting and leave a prolonged treatment and injuries, it would be better to choose workers' compensation insurance because the range of the coverage is much wider than driver's insurance. But unfortunately, worker H did not have a valid driver's license. Thus, worker H cannot get the benefit from the workers' compensation insurance. Worker H had to file a claim to the opponent's driver's insurance company and could receive compensation money. Let me describe the main differences between driver's license and workers' compensation insurance in terms of benefit and coverage for the accident and injuries. The driver's license company measures the degree of liability of accident among those who are involved in the accident. The compensation depends on how much reliable you are in the accident. The medical care and benefit from the driver's license is usually based on one-time coverage. In workers' compensation insurance, on the other hand, you can receive the compensation money regardless of your liability to the accident. As long as the accident is related in work and on the way to and from work, you can get the benefits from workers' compensation insurance. In addition, the workers' compensation insurance provides various aspects of medical care and rehab. The benefits include medical care, which can be extended if needed, and additional medical care is possible in case of the recurrence of the disease or injuries. If a worker gets injured in an accident while commuting, the worker can file a claim to workers' compensation insurance. If this is your case, here are some of the conditions to be qualified for the benefit of the insurance. First, accidents should happen while commuting, and any method of commute is accepted. Either you commute by car, by walk, by bus, by bicycle, it doesn't matter. And third, the commuting course should not have a deviation, which means if your usual commute courses is like this, and if you drop by somewhere else that's not on your usual route, you may not get qualified to the insurance. But here's some exceptions. If the deviation of the route is due to the necessity for living, such as grocery shopping, hospital visit, picking up children from caring facilities, going to learn something related to work, then that deviation is okay. Before wrapping up today's video, I want to introduce some of the frequently asked questions regarding workers' compensation insurance. First, who should sign up workers' compensation insurance? Any employer who has more than one worker should sign up compensation insurance. Can an undocumented worker get the benefit? Yes. Who can apply for the compensation if work-related injury happens? Any worker can apply. There's no need to get a permission from the employer. Is there any disadvantage to the employer when an injured worker receives a benefit? No. But if the employer did not make a report about work-related accident or injury to the labor's court or labor's office within a certain period of time, then the employer can get a penalty. If you need more support or more questions about it, please contact us at the number on the screen or visit our website. Our center is doing our best to support you and help our neighbors from other countries. Thank you very much for watching.